Welcome back to the channel, guys. You join me at 6:15 a.m. At Saltburn Station. We've got something very exciting happening today. It's a pissy, wet, horrible day, so I'm just going to go in this shelter and tell you everything where I'm about to go. Right, nice and early start today. I've just bought a classic car. Yes, just bought a classic car. I'm really excited for this one. Right, anyway, can you all guess what I'm about to pick up? Okay, I'm going to give you 3 clues. Okay, clue number 1, it's a convertible. And what a day to be picking a convertible up here. This will really test the hood. Right, clue number 2, it was made in 1972. What could that be? It's British as well, by the way. A British 1972. And clue number 3, and this will probably give it away, it's a 3-litre V8. Okay, so the train should be here very shortly. It's a good haul. It's about a 5-hour train journey to Gatwick Airport. That's where the guy's going to pick me up from. So please don't let there be any delays, because I hate being sat on trains and public transport. I don't do public transport, full stop. So come on, let's hope this thing turns up in time and everything goes swimmingly. Well, here comes the train, guys. Not to forget my little bag of goodies here. Oh, it's quite heavy. Just in case I am picking a classic car up after all. So here comes the train. It's absolutely pouring down. Right, let's hope this goes easy. Okay, see you guys there. Well, here we are. We made it to Three Bridges near Gatwick, and I'll see you soon. I'm going to give you a walk round tour. Sometimes get off the M25, and the guy was in a bit of a hurry, so it was just a case of filling all the details and everything, and he's going to watch a football match. There you go. It's on the M25 at the moment, but I'm going to give you some details on the car. I'm finding it. I've never driven a Triumph Stag before. It's weird, but good fun. It sounds awesome. This car sounds awesome. But it sits nice at 60. Any more than 60, it's, you know, the classic cars aren't meant to be going. The overdrive works really nice. But I can tell you one thing, guys, I could not live in the London area. And this is a Saturday. What a fucking nightmare. Absolutely dreadful. But the car runs really nice. Overdrive works nice. But yeah, you know, it's a classic car. You know, there's no airbags, there's no nothing. It's just what it is. It's manual. But yeah, it sounds awesome. I don't know whether you can hear it, but it's just really nice sound to this car. The seating position it's comfortable seats. It's a bit noisy, but hey, it's an old classic car. Well, this is what I was after, just to pot around on a weekend when I'm not gigging with the V12 band. But yeah, I'm going to go to a few classic car shows, so say hi if you bump into me with the famous Stag. But yeah, it sounds awesome. I'm really liking this, but I tell you what, guys, I could not live down south. Jeez, what a fucking place. 23rd gear now. Oh, really? Queue ahead. It's fucking Saturday. But yeah, I've just gone past Heathrow. So we've got the queue caution flashing on the tops. Look at this. I'll tell you one thing, I'm just gonna put you in here. You have to be very careful driving this classic car. You feel very vulnerable. That's something else about a classic car on a motorway. This car feels very small. You know, you've got all these big SUVs passing you. Even the small cars feel big. But this is what it was like in the 1972. But there you go. Yeah, there's a stupid electric car. I tell you one thing, I will never ever get an electric car. I'm just petrol runs through my veins, through and through. Ugh, couldn't think of anything worse. Where are you going? Mr. DHL, you're not coming out in front of me. So I'm sort of, at the moment, I'm in 4th gear. It's very torquey, this car. Yeah, I'm just pottering along. At the moment, I'm doing 30 miles an hour on the M25. They say the place is like a giant car park. This is the one road I was dreading coming on. I don't know, I just think the older you get, I just couldn't be arsed down here. Honestly. I don't know how you people do it. Just gonna, I'm in 4th gear now. I'm gonna click it into the overdrive. The overdrive works, which is nice. It's like, I don't know, is it a 5th or a 6th gear? So I'm gonna go into that now. You hear that? Sounds a bit like an automatic when you go into that. I've never driven a car with an overdrive, which I have now. You don't have to put your foot on the clutch or anything. You just click the gear once you feel it, wants to go into another gear. So that's between 45 and 50. We're actually picking up speed now. Whoa. I'm actually doing 50 miles an hour on the M25. Well, yeah, I told you I'd take you guys with me. But the car, if you can see, the seats are really comfortable. Well, yeah. Make sure there's no coppers about, yeah. It sounds awesome. It's a very pretty looking car as well. It's in really solid condition. It could do with the paint job, but I knew that was going to happen. I was expecting it to be, when you buy a classic car, you expect to be working on it. But it's something I want to do over a weekend when I'm not gigging. But yeah, I'm well impressed so far. It's not too noisy. I thought it would be even noisier. It's not raining at the moment, so I don't know how watertight the roof is. I can see a few gaps here and there, but it's just what it is. It's it's classic car driving. I'm getting plenty of looks, as you do in a classic. I won't see another one on. The temperatures are really good. Temperatures just below the halfway, because I know these have a problem with overheating. It's 55 miles an hour we're doing at the moment. I've got 40 pounds of oil pressure. The volts is reading 14s, which is really good. I'm doing about 2,500, 2,000, just under 2,500 revs, in between 55 and 60. There's no whining coming from the diff or anything like that. It's driving really nice. I was expecting it to be a bit more, a bit rougher. once I get on the M1 and pull over to a service station somewhere, and I'll take you around the car. But yeah, I'm well impressed since I've never driven a Triumph Stag before. The steering is very, very light. It's a bit like driving a go-kart. I think I'll be pulling off shortly. Don't know where the hell I'm going like here. But anyway, catch you guys later. So there's the Stag. It's like royal blue. But yeah, so far so good. It's been a good trip so far. My foot's hurting a bit. Well, now I'm 6'4". So the car's handling pretty well. I just need to do something with that. That sticks up. Yeah, looks not too bad. Could do with a paint job. Right guys, it's time for another update. We're just turning off for the Thirsk turn off from the A1 onto the A19. So now we're in North Yorkshire, God's country. I cannot get over the fuel consumption of this car. I'm absolutely gobsmacked. I put the E5 in as well, because I'm not putting the E10 shit in. I filled it up to the gunnels where it was just about, you know, I actually could see the fuel. And I'm at half a tank of fuel. It's like, it's incredible. I'm not used to this. I am, you know, I'm tooling along at 60, between 60 and 70. I'm going to work out how many miles to the gallon this is. I must be doing 40 miles to the gallon. I'm going to work this out, but I'm absolutely shocked. But yeah, I just can't get over the fuel consumption. It's absolutely fantastic. Bring it on. This is cheaper than the train. The train cost me £74. Okay? And I think I may have done this on, what? The way things are going at the moment, about £35. So if I can travel for £35 all the way from the New Forest, I picked this up. It's south of Gatwick. I'm going to work it all out when I get home. Whoa, wow! Bring on the Stag! Wow, I'm really impressed. This is the first convertible car I've ever had. This is the first time I've ever drove a Triumph Stag. But I'm well impressed. It's really comfortable. The only thing that's hurting me is the heel on my foot. If this thing had cruise control, wow, that would be just the icing on the cake. But I can sort of do like a crossover foot, give that foot a rest, and then put my left foot on the accelerator. Wow, probably gonna have a blister there tomorrow. But yeah, I am well impressed with this car, guys. So yeah, we're on the A19 now. We're coming up to Thirsk. It's beautiful out here. Yeah, I'm well impressed. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, by the way, for more crazy videos. This has been a really good day today. I was on a train with I think it was a Wembley match. I think it was Man City, full of football fans. Pissed out the brains. They were on the booze at 7 in the morning. Fucking hardcore. You can wait there while I overtake this truck. Yeah, I'm well impressed with the Stag. Good old Triumph Stag. When I get back, we'll go around. I'm going to take the plugs out, have a look at the colour of the plug. But I'll tell you one thing, I ain't touching any mixture screw. This car runs really well, and this fuel consumption is just, I can't get my head around it. You know, my Range Rover would have sucked through 100 quid by now, easy. 5 litre supercharge, that's why. But yeah, it's wow. I just incredible, incredible. Must be about 35 quid's worth of fuel I've used. But the best thing to do is I'll go to a fuel station and stick some more petrol in it. I'll fill it back to the gunnels again and see what I've actually done it in, and I'll let you know. So anyway, thanks again. Remember to subscribe. I'd say that, subscribe to the channel, and there'll be plenty more videos on this Triumph Stag. I'm nearly finished that P6. The guys had to go away for a couple of months because he works abroad. Still haven't got that thing to go yet properly. It still goes on Easy Start, but yeah, when he gets back we'll be dropping back on the P6, see if we can get that thing actually to move. But I tell you one thing, I'm impressed with this Triumph Stag. So on that note, guys, if you've got a classic car, use it or lose it. You know, these cars need to be ran, not just sat in the garage. You know, use them, enjoy them, because life is short. And at the end of the day, you can't take it with you. So subscribe, and I'll see you again for the next video. Remember, seeds above it all. Check it out.